Hi, welcome to Fluent English Fast. In this video, we will learn English vocabulary. House, house. Living room, living room. Couch, couch. Carpet, carpet. Coffee table, coffee table. Chair, chair. TV, TV. Window, window. Curtains, curtains. Picture, picture. Door, door. Lamp, lamp. Now we will have a quiz on the words we learned. First, you will see a picture of one of the vocabulary words. Say the vocabulary word that goes with the picture. Then the correct answer will appear on the screen. Let's get started with the quiz. Chair, lamp, carpet, window, couch, door, coffee table, TV, curtains, picture. Watch this video every day until you have memorized all of the words. Please subscribe to our channel for more English vocabulary videos.